Om Swastiastu. Hello, my name is Ari Surya Darmawan. I will present my presentation with the title Accountability based on Karana in Sunset Village. The recognition of customary village by the provincial government of Bali as a legal subject seems to raise concern from various parties. This, of course, cannot be spread from the full authoritarian gift to in financial management. In reality, the full authoritarian gift to this customary village has often attract the attention of various parties related to inefficiency in organizational governance. This inefficiency often causes various problems that occur at the village level, such as a problem regarding accountability for financial management and reporting, which are allegedly only carried out ceremonial and various acts of fraud which leads to corruption. The concept of accountability that has been developed in modern governance is the cause of debate in several literature that question the extent of gap between actor behavior in implementing accountability mechanism and community expectation. Based on this, it is necessary to incorporate moral value into the concept of accountability, which is seen as one of the answers to action about virtue in accountable behavior. The essence of the concept accountability is an obligation to provide and explain the responsibility that have been mandated so far. Therefore, this concept sought encourage the emergence of moral legitimacy in individual actor and organization to a level of stakeholder, at the stake of preparing a more moral and ethical mechanism in action. Based on this, the concept of accountability must be based on a value that not only prioritizes human interests, but also take into account dimension outside of human, namely the relationship with God and the relationship to the environment. This form of understanding has currently become the root of the Balinese culture in interaction with Ida Sang Hyang Widawasa as the creator of the universe and its content, so as to encourage to emerging moral legitimacy manifest in a real ethical action, namely Trihita Karana. Based on the description of some of the accountability concepts above, this research tries to understand how the accountability implemented in Sangsi traditional village Sawan district Buleleng Regency Bali in based on Trihita Karana. In the literature review, in this research, accountability is an abstract concept. Research defines accountability in various versions, but the substance of the text is not far from the concept of God, organizational governance. Accountability does not only observe the behavior and organization as an entity, but also include observation behavior of the actor. In their capacity of individual carrying out their responsibility to meet stakeholder expectation. Based on the definition above, accountability is not enough with accountability in human or social relationship. It is also important to have accountability for God and the natural environment, as well as local culture as the driving force. The THK-based accountability model is the result of the inculturation of the religion ethical value and religion spirit into a formal accountability model, which is built on Sarada and definition, religion ethic as well as law and government regulation. So it can be said the accounting as a medium of accountability is not sufficient for capitalist accounting. The method in this research, the approach use the qualitative, which actually really depends on the context and the phenomena to be studied. The qualitative research was conducted with an ethnomethodology to again understanding how a group of people or a number of certain culture use or apply culture element in their daily life. The informant who were used as a data source in the study where its traditional village is named as Prajuru, including the Desa Adat and the Krama Desa. Data collection used to answer the problem in this study consists of interview, observation, and documentation. Research and discussion in this research. The first, accountability in financial management of the sanksi villain based on Parayangan. Accountability based on this dream, of course, has implication for spiritual responsibility. This, of course, cannot be spread from the meaning of the imaginary itself, as from the relationship between human and their creator. The realization of accountability based on Parayangan in financial management in sanksi villain can correctly be seen in their daily life. Of course, in very active related to religion, the traditional village of Sangsit make a simple report by the Patangan and hold a poem which will attend by village krama in the form of accountability for the phone that have been used. The choice of the place and day is believed to have a nice great value so that more honest result will be obtained. The second, accountability in financial management of Sangsit village based on Pawongan. Accountability based on this Pawongan is responsibility for human relationship. The form of this relationship will have an impact of the success of development and improve of the economic standard of the community. The relation of accountability based on Pawongan in financial management in the Sangsit village can of course be seen by the publication of the annual budget to the village krama and has obligation to be accountable for relation of the budget. So that a village krama can find out what the traditional village program in every year, founding source, activity, objective, and accountability. And the last, accountability in financial management for village of the Sangsit environment is part of the weakness. Of course, that appreciation of the natural environment from human life. So that humans are required directly and indirectly for its preservation. The preservation of the natural environment is a manifest of the balance in the belief of Balinese people. The financial management of the traditional village for environmental preservation has currently been budget annual and can be used for environmental preservation. Based on this, accountability for environmental sustainability in the context of Palemahan can be listed in the report of the realization of the budget for the use of village fund. Of course, the relation between human and environment really need to be maintained because in a good environment, that human will be created. And the last conclusion for the research, all forms of activity in the Sangsit are of course inseparable from the Trihita concept, including financial management. The financial management of the Sangse traditional village is based on THK concept, defined into three ways, namely Parayangan, Pawongan, and Palamahan. On accountability, the THK concept is able to provide straight the form of human and words syndication. Therefore, accountability based on THK is able to ensure anxiety about a reality of virtue which is real in accountable via behavior and encourage the image of moral legitimacy which is manifested in the real ethical action. Thank you for attention my presentation, and I close with Parama Santi. Om Santi Santi Santi. Om.